Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a top-down analysis on gold. So before I start, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. I post breakdowns like this every single week. Starting on the weekly time frame, this is where we define the overall direction of the market. Right now, gold continues to hold bullish weekly structure. We're seeing higher highs and higher lows and no confirmation break of structure to the downside here. That's an important detail because as long as weekly structure remains intact, any pullbacks are treated as replacement, not reversals. This is why it's important to look for market trend on the higher time frame, because now our focus is looking for continuation setup, not counter trend trades. Only a clean weekly break and close below key structure will shift this bias to the downside. Now we move to the daily time frame, and here we do the same thing. We mark our higher highs and higher lows. This chart right here is where our weekly bias gets refined and where direction becomes much clearer. This time frame right here really helps us understand if buyers are still in control or sellers are moving in. Right now, on the daily chart, price has reacted cleanly of a key level, and it's also showing signs of continuation rather than breakout. We are not seeing any aggressive bearish displacement, and we are not seeing any clean violation of daily market structure here. Each pullback into this demand has met with buying pressure, which tell us buyers are still willing to step in at these prices. This is very important because as long as daily continue to hold and prices respect this demand zone, the bullish bias remain intact. This area that I'm marking right here is our daily zone, which we clearly respect in this zone right here. Now we drop down to the 4-hour time frame because in this chart is where short-term momentum starts to tell us a different story. So we come here and we mark our higher high and higher low. In this case, we'll be marking our lower high and lower low. On this 4-hour chart, price is showing bearish behavior. We are seeing lower highs form structures falling to hold, and the demand not being respected the same way as the daily time frame. Instead of a clean bullish continuation here, what it's doing is falling to reclaim key 4 levels, which tell us sellers are acting in short term. As long as the 4-hour highs continue to hold at resistance and price stays below structure, the 4-hour bias remain bearish. Remember, the weekly is bullish and the daily is bullish. This doesn't mean that gold is bearish overall. This just simply means short-term momentum within a higher time frame bullish market. And this is where patience really matters. This is where a lot of people fail because they see a counter trend trade and want to jump in, forgetting that higher time frame are aiming towards another direction. This is what I really want to see. I want to see the 4-hour break through the zone, come back and retest. If it respects the zone, I'll be looking to get into buys. But if it doesn't and it breaks below zone, come back and retest the zone and continue the downtrend, I'll be looking for sell positions. This is why it's really important to stay patient, wait for confirmation. I always say, if the market doesn't show your strategy, don't jump in. Sit in your hands. It's better to stay sitting in your hands because at the end of the day, that's a winning trade no matter what. I hope you guys like this video, and I catch you on the other one.